Hi everybody, I'm finally back just for a little bit. Um, this video was shot about a month ago at the end of May, and it's been a long month. I've been super busy trying to get everything together for our move to Hawaii, which I'm here now finally. But in the meantime, I had to have a huge estate sale, sell our boat, our motorhome. Mostly all my art supplies in my studio, pretty much 95% of everything that we owned. In the meantime, my husband had back surgery, couldn't help me at all, so I've been really working super hard, and we're finally here in Kona, and I have some things to do here. So um, just have patience, enjoy this video, and we'll see you soon, I hope. Trying to get a studio area together, and we'll see how that goes. So enjoy this flip and drag. Welcome back. This painting is a little dark underneath, so what I did was I have some satin enamel. That's what I'm going to be pouring as my base, and I just brushed it on there just to make sure that that other painting is going to be covered. So my base is bare satin enamel. It's not thin. I don't plan on getting any pearls. This is just paint that I had. It leaves a mound and a trace. So let's get going. Let's go right in the middle. Do a puddle. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill a cup. So I'm going to go white first. These also leave a mound. This is this is sort of like a copper gold color. I think I'll be able to. 2 layers. This is a metallic blue, really pretty, and I know this is a phthalo blue. Sorry if I didn't have you on screen. I love the phthalo blue. It's Creative Inspirations phthalo blue. Okay, white. It does feel good getting rid of stuff, though. I don't know if you haven't. I mean, I should have just cleaned out the house before I had to. People have a lot of money right now. I mean, they're buying all. So if you have something to sell, I'd recommend doing it. A lot of cash floating around. Okay. It's going to be big cup. This painting is going to be, how pretty that is. I'm going to top it with white. This white is a pearl and an Artist Loft white. So let's see what we get. I'll splash it all over everything first. Yeah, I should have poured around it instead of like that, because I'm going to end up, let me pop some bubbles first, splattering it, because this is so big. I don't want to splatter it over here. I hope it doesn't. I gotta be quick. Tilt it a little bit. There. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and poke a hole. Whoops. It wasn't supposed to happen. Oh well, see if I can It's trying. Okay. It goes. Coming out. The mediums I'm using, all different kinds. Like I said, these are leftovers, and I really didn't keep track. Not sure I'll have any negative space. Help it along a little bit. Some blue left, so I'm just going to pour it over. Why not? I know there's no silicone in any of these colors. And the copper pretty much disappeared. A little bit left. I packed my other blow dryer and I sold one, so I was going to do a Dutch pour, but then I didn't want to dig it out. So left with doing a flip cup. And I can't pack my butane, my torch. They won't allow that on the plane. I'm taking one pallet full. And that's about it. Open that copper up just a little bit. Maybe I should have used some silicone in this. It would have probably given me more interesting painting. I haven't used it for a while, so. And I usually don't use satin as a base for this type of painting. Let's see what develops. Don't think much is going to develop. You know what? I think I'm going to do something. I do have some silicone left, if I can find it. Okay. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to go ahead and give it some squirts of the blaster silicone. See if I can get other things happening here. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of, a few little cells popping up. Actually, they're popping up everywhere, so it's not the silicone. It might be just the satin reacting underneath. Ooh, I like what's going on up here. Can't see it. Right here on the top. It's looking like coral. Okay. So what I'm going to do, not sure you can even see that. Yeah, I like it much better. I'm going to wait about 30 minutes and then I'll bring you back. But this would be the top. And I don't know if you can see. I'll bring you down when it's done. All kinds of little tiny cells everywhere. And it looks like a waterway. Yeah. I like it. I'll bring you down 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, actually it's been a couple hours. I really like how it turned out. You can see all the little cells popping up. Sorry for the lights. Someone came and bought all my light fixtures. This is just the ceiling light I'm using now. Very cool. Some kind of water estuary or something. Trying to get that glare out of there. I still wish I would have used more silicone in the paints, but I really do like it. I might take this one to Kona. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in, I don't know, maybe a month. Please keep subscribing and liking. I'll be back. Thanks, everyone. Bye.